What is up, guys? Back here with another video. Today I'm going to be reading Dogs in the Dead of Night, and you can follow along with me if you're on page 39. Let me move this over here, guys, so you can see me good. Oh my god, it's not working at all. I thought this would work, because last time I tried it over here it worked. Oh yeah, it does work. You have to really... Should I just not use a phone? Sure. Okay, I'll just leave it right there. So today I'm going to be reading Dogs in the Dead of the Night. I'm on page 39. Oh no, cried Jack. Don't come back to me. He covered his head with his blanket, but it was too late. Barry jumped back onto Jack's bed and started pawing at the blanket, trying to dig Jack out of his underneath. Barry, come, commanded Brother Michael. Now! Finally, the Saint Bernard leaped off Jack's bed and bounded into the hallway. Brother Michael quickly closed the door behind the roadie giant, behind the roadie giant, period. Well, now you've met Barry, he said. Out in the hallway, Barry leaned up and pawed at the door, begging to come back into the room. Oh, poor puppy, said Annie. Barry may be young, said Brother Michael, but he is a 200-pound dog who needs to grow up. Aw, said Annie. She laughed tenderly at the wonderful mournful sounds Barry was making. Perhaps you do not realize this, said Brother Michael, but it is past afternoon. You have both been asleep for many hours. Really? Oh man, said Jack. He jumped off the bed and grabbed his shoes and put them on.
Why are you recording that? You should delete that whole thing.
I won't.
Huh?
I won't. It's okay.
Well, you're wasting time right now.
No, I won't.
Don't, you could hurt him.
He just wants to sit here.
No, he doesn't want to sit there.
You can hold him. Okay, let's continue on with the story. Mary Pope Osborne. Michael, but it is past afternoon. You have both been asleep for many hours. Really? Oh man, said Jack. He jumped off. What was that?
Oh, it's UPS.
Ugh, just UPS.
He ran in here
Okay, guys. Sorry, my dad and my mom were both there for a second. Can we continue reading? Comment down below. Yes, sir. Whoa. Okay, let's see.
It's the shoe rack for the
Okay, guys. Here, I'm just gonna put it like this. Can you guys read it if it's like this?
No bite.
You can't, actually. You actually can't. I'm just gonna be putting it right here, and you guys can see my face when I'm reading it. Where actually should I put it? I think this will be better. Let me put it over here. You guys can go right there. You guys can even read the book right here. I'm almost on chapter 5. And chapter 5, I will end the story. Hope you guys can enjoy. If you made it this far, comment down below, paw. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna continue. You guys have been asleep for many hours. Really? Oh man, said Jack. He jumped off the bed and grabbed his shoes and put them on. He couldn't believe they'd wasted so much time. We are just completing our noontime meal in the dining hall before we hike down the pass, said Brother Michael. Thousands of French soldiers will be crossing afternoon soon. On their way to Italy, Father Laurent. Here, I'm gonna put my book right here so if you guys see me looking at you, Okay, where can I put my book? Can I put my thing like this? Are you guys still with me? Oh my god, what just happened? Oh my god. So if I put you guys right here, and if I put my book, oh my god. Hold on, guys. I missed my page up because I was like doing that, you know. Comment down below if that happens to you. Chapter 4. Oh, I'm almost on chapter 5. I'm way ahead of this. Okay. And if I put my book right here, would I be reading this currently? Hold on. Since the weight over here is more, and I could put the book over here, I'm correct. And I could just be doing this. Okay, guys, let's finish reading. Let's go on to chapter 5, that page. And then after we're done reading that page, I'll be done. Chapter 5, he's all yours. Come on, hurry, said Annie, pulling on her shoes. But we have to look in our book, said Jack, and try to figure out, let's look after we talk, said Brother Michael, said Annie. He's leaving soon, and I have a feeling that he, or someone else, here is going to help us. You guys can't see my face that good. But I should. I just put my phone right here.
No bite, Daddy. No bite, Daddy. Don't worry, guys. I'll keep it pretty low for you guys. I'm gonna hold my phone right here. I think this would be pretty good. This is good. But we have to find... Wait, hold on. No, I don't actually like this. I really like to go like this. But we have to look in our book, said Jack, and try to figure out... Wait, hold on. Where was I? Let's find out. I'm going to sit right here for you guys. You guys can go inside the book right here and just watch me read it constantly. Wait, what if I did this? Would this work? Oh my gosh, it would. It actually would work. Wait, hold on. Alright, guys. Let's finish reading. That he or someone else here is going to help us. Let's hope, said Jack. Still sore from the avalanche, Jack limped I'll read until it says period. Limped a little as he followed Annie out of their room, period. I'm going to do a part 2 to this, guys, so make sure, if you have this book, make sure to put this on the page that we were on and close it up. See you guys. Peace.